What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building, coming at you. So what we're going to do today, we're going to cover Monday's game plan. We're going to hit the heavy hitters, Tesla, SPY, but we're going to do something different today. We're going to cover some cheap tickers that can help you get that big bang for your buck, probably a better bang for your buck versus the SPY and Tesla. A little something for the newbies out there that's just getting into options trading and don't want to spend that big dollar amount on those contracts. So we're going to give y'all something too. But before we get into that, I want to cover one thing. Everybody heard the announcement with Biden dropping out. There's a lot of talk out there what Trump's ticker going to do tomorrow. It's going to explode, or is it going to sink? Guys, play price action. Put your stop loss on. Don't worry about that after that. Or better yet, since it's going to be volatile like crazy, don't even play it. Wait a couple days down the road and get into it. Lastly, guys, respect the next person's opinion of who they choose to vote for. I mean, that's their given right if they want to vote for Trump or whoever the Democrats decide to put in the office or put on their ticket to run for the White House. Respect it. It's no need to be disrespectful to anybody because they like this candidate versus the next candidate. We can all be respectful and still get along and still have fun in this trading games. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive right into it. Let's go ahead and start with Hood. This is for the newbies out here. We're going to show y'all some love today. Hood, and if you check the options, we'll do a video on, the options chain and how much a certain call or a put costs. But you can see it's $23.41. It's nowhere near SPY, $500 and plus. So we're going to go ahead and look at Hood. You look at the chart right here, you can see where the money moves are at. You can see supply, demand, support, resistance. So what I want to see for Monday in ticker Hood, guys, go ahead and get your notepads out. If you're trying to play some of these plays, looking at calls, I want to see a breakthrough at 23.90. If bulls can get going and can get that breakthrough at 23.90, they got room to run. They can go up. So I wouldn't be interested in calls till we get to breaking that point right there. And as far as puts, I want to see 23.30 get taken out. We got another area down here at 23.10, and that's where I would be interested in getting into puts at the break at 23.10. All right, we just going to keep riding, get these low end ones knocked out. Let's go ahead and jump into Palantir. I want to see 29 bucks get knocked out. They tested it a few times on Friday. And, they went through it and then they came back down. So right now they closed at 28.57. I want to see them take that level at 29 even. If they can do that, they can start popping this thing all the way back to 29.45 and get back to 29.60 where they got smacked down at, and then go through there. I personally wouldn't be interested in the calls to 29.60. That's where they kept getting smacked at. I think if they start surging through that point again and start knocking on that door, I think they're going to knock the ceiling out and head for that big old round number at 30. For puts, what I want to see them, they got some unfinished business down here. I want to see level at 28.50 get taken out. 28.50 get taken out, Palantir can come down lower. Me personally, I think that's going to give you more value headed back down than up because they've been getting smacked down. You see, we got 3 touches up here, way up here at almost 30 bucks. So, I mean, if it's surging towards that way, you play what you see and get in, set your stop loss, let that protect you. Our next ticker symbol, MARA. First, I want to see bulls take over 25 even. If they can start taking over 25 even, I want to see them smack through 25.50. If they can smack through 25.50, then they can start pushing to higher stuff. So that's where I want to see for calls before I'm even interested in calls. And for puts, I want to see this area right down here at 24.15. I want to see them start breaking through there. And if they can break through there, I want to see them get through this level at 23.66. If they can get through that, they can fall even lower. Got a little bit of turbulence at 23.40. They break through there, they dropping. It's going to be a nice drop. So 2340, put that on a side note. If they can break through that, they got a lot of room to run down. Let's go to our next ticker. Let's do HUT. These are cheap dollar plays that you can get into and make a lot of money. Look at these moves. While we paying attention to SPY, sideways chopping, man, these plays is making some runs. Had a whole lot of chop right there, premium burn. They got to a certain floor, and once they hit that floor right here at 1771, boom, getting sidetracked. Let's go ahead and see what we want to look for calls. For calls with them, we want to see a breakthrough at 2005. We can get a breakthrough at 2005. They got more room to run to the upside. For puts, we can get a breakdown at 1930. They got a lot of room to come down. That next floor is sitting almost at $1 drop. Right contracts in that right there, that's a nice couple $100 right there, a couple thousands with the right amount of contracts. So I think I'm going to be interested in HUT tomorrow. I'll be paying attention to that one really closely because, like I said, if they can break through there and then get down to 1772, if they can break through that, they got a lot of room to run down as well. So you see, most of my stuff is looking at the bear move because I'm a bear at heart. I'll play both sides, but man, I love seeing those big red candles go down. But let's go ahead and jump into the big tickers. But I want to see with SPY, if you are bull, they closed at 548.92, and all this is dependent on what pre-market do. We had a lot of stuff in the media, a lot of stuff in the news that's gonna probably, make us a little volatile tomorrow. We'll address that in real time. But as it stands right now, what I want to look for in SPY, if they can start breaking through 550.10, they can run up to my next level, 551.50-ish. And they start breaking through that, we got more room to run. 548.10 for the bears. If bears can break through 548.10, man, they're going to smack the bulls. I have another level down at 547.64. If they can get through this turbulence at 547.30, my next level is 546.90. And man, we're going to have a little falling knife type of action that's going to take us back to 545.70. And if they don't hold that right there, the bears will try to run this back down to 540. So we'll play in real time, play what you see, set that stop loss, and don't worry about it. Take your profits, know when to get out. Do not overstay your welcome. Let's hit our big dog of the day. Where's she at? Tesla, what you want to see? They closed at 239.29. I want to see Tesla have to get back to 241.20. They have to hold that level above. Bulls got to stay on top of that level, 241.20. If Bulls unable to keep that level right there, we coming back down, and we're going to come down hard because bears tested this level that I had at 236.90. They was unable to get through it, but man, when they crack through it, it's going to be something crazy. They're going to come down the next level, 235.75. Got another one at 234.70. And it's a little turbulence. He cracked through 234 even. Boom. That dip all the way back down to 231. Got some turbulence to about 231.40. They break through that. That thing going to take a fall. It's going to drop. So again, with Tesla, man, you got to be swift with Tesla. Tesla will pull that rug. And we know Tesla can give you a $10 drop in a couple minutes. So do not get burnt messing around with Tesla. So that's all I have for you with those tickers right there. I'm going to go ahead and end it. But hey, if you like this kind of content, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get notified. If you like sniper type, level to level breakdowns on your favorite tickers, periodic call outs, SPY, Tesla, we'll be doing Palantir, Hood, Mara. Go ahead and tap into the Discord. The link is listed in the description below. As always, guys, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.